Stay tuned as I expand each section with detailed strategies, real-life applications, and business insights. My journey from $79,000 to $253,000 monthly in just 41 days. Here's the strategy. Imagine going from making $79,000 per month to over $253,000 monthly in just 41 days. Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what I did. And today, I'm breaking down the exact strategy that made it happen so you can do it too. No gimmicks. Just real, repeatable business strategies that you can apply starting today. Stick around because at the end, I'll also share the biggest mistake I made so you can avoid it and scale even faster. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the biggest income strategies that actually work. Chapter 1. The Financial Turning Point. What sparked my transformation? So how did this all start? Let's rewind to the moment I realized I needed to completely change how I was making money. Before the growth, I was stuck at $79,000 per month. I was working more hours, but my income stayed the same. My business was hitting a plateau because I was operating in a linear growth model instead of scalable revenue models. The key realization. If I wanted to break through to multiple six figures per month, I had to stop relying on harder work and instead focus on higher value, scalable systems. If your income is stuck, the problem isn't working harder, it's the model you're using. Chapter 2. The Psychological Shift to High Earnings. The biggest shift wasn't in my business, it was in my mindset. Every multimillionaire I studied had these three core beliefs that I had to adopt. 1. From hustling to systemizing, I stopped trying to do everything myself and focused on automation and delegation. Instead of adding more clients, I focused on adding more value per transaction. 2. From working for money to money working for me. I stopped relying only on active income and built multiple passive revenue streams. I reinvested profits into assets that made money without me working. From short-term gains to long-term scaling. 3. I shifted from quick sales to high-ticket and subscription models for predictable income. Key lesson. Once I stopped focusing on making more sales and started focusing on building systems, my income skyrocketed. Chapter 3. The business model that scaled my income. If you want to scale your income fast, your business model has to be structured for growth. Here's exactly how I did it. Step 1. High ticket offer, 10 John per sale. Instead of selling low-price services, I shifted to high-ticket consulting and premium products. Example, selling a 5-0 service meant I only needed 50 clients per month to hit $250,000. Step 2. Subscription-based income, recurring revenue. I built a membership program that charged clients $200, $500 per month. This created consistent, predictable income without constantly chasing new sales. Step 3. Affiliate and passive income. I partnered with high-quality services and earned commissions on sales I didn't have to close myself. Example, by recommending high-value software, I earned $30,000 a month in passive affiliate revenue alone. You don't need more customers, you need a better income structure that pays more per customer. Chapter 4. Advanced marketing strategies that multiplied my revenue. Scaling income is about reaching more people faster without extra effort. Here's how I did it. Step 1. Authority-based content marketing. I created high-value content that positioned me as a trusted expert. Example, YouTube, blogs, and emails that drove leads automatically. Step 2. Paid ads, scaling fast with traffic. I used YouTube ads and Facebook ads to target ideal high-paying customers. My ads turned $1 into $5 profit, which allowed unlimited scaling. Step 3. Retargeting and automated follow-ups. Most people don't buy immediately, so I used email automation and retargeting ads to convert them later. This added an extra $50,000 a month in recovered revenue. Key lesson. Marketing is about bringing the right offer to the right people at the right time in autopilot. Chapter 5. Automating and scaling to $253,000 a month. The secret to making more without working more is automation. Step 1. Automated lead generation built systems that brought in leads 24/7 without manual outreach. Step 2. Team delegation, hired virtual assistants and specialists for non-essential tasks. Step 3. Scalable systems. Created a seamless funnel that converted leads without needing my involvement. The more your business runs without you, the faster it scales. Chapter 6. Smart investments that multiplied my wealth. Once I hit $253,000 a month, I didn't just save, I multiplied my money. Here's how. Step 1. Real estate for passive income. Step 2. Stocks and ETFs for long-term growth. Step 3. Angel investments in high upside startups. Key lesson. Making money is great, but if you don't invest it wisely, you'll never keep it. Chapter 7. The mistakes that almost slowed me down. Even though I scaled fast, I made costly mistakes. Here's what I wish I knew sooner. Mistake 1. Scaling too many things at once. Mistake 2. Not investing in high value tools and people. Mistake 3. Chasing revenue instead of profit. how you can replicate this success. If I could go from 79,000 to 253,000 in just 41 days, so can you. Here's the roadmap. Find a scalable business model. Optimize for high ticket and recurring income. Automate and delegate aggressively. Reinvest profits into wealth-building assets. Comment below. What's your biggest income goal this year? Subscribe for weekly business growth hacks. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video.